Hey guys, what's up? After a long time we are meeting. So in this video we are gonna see like how you can create a AI product photo shoot. Traditionally the product photo shoot was an expensive thing, like you have to do a lot of expensive setups like studios, and with the expensive camera you have to do a lot of things and stuff. So now in this video I'm showing you that how you can do a AI product shoot with the help of AI, and you can charge up to like you can earn up to a lakh rupees as a AI photographer, like AI photo shoot expert. With you can charge with your clients and get enough amount of money from them. You just have to approach them, you just have to convince them that the AI photo shoot is much cheaper as compared to traditional photo shoot, and it will help you, like it will help them to grow their business and increase the sales. So it's very good opportunity for Gen Z's to earn money. So today I have created a video on it, like how you can do it with the simple steps, with the simple roadmap. So let us see that roadmap. Yes, you can see over here I have created a simple roadmap. What the roadmap says, the first step is nothing but you have to get a raw image. Now sorry, you can click the picture of the product, and also you can do if you have, you can do it with the expensive camera if you have, but with the mobile phone it is okay and it works. Then after a raw photo, what you have to do, you have to use the AI models for generation. Obviously you can use a Copilot, chat gpt, Claude, Gemini to generate a videos or images for your product. Then what will be the output of that? You can create a banners flex which you see on the traffic signals. Then you can generate a catalogs of the product. Then you can generate videos of the product which requires for running Google ads, meta ads. Then you can also generate images for websites. For catalogs we need images. So yeah, the very good scope and a very good earning as well, right? So let us see the process. We are going to executing this process. First we have to get the raw image and create its image with the help of AI, like do a photo shoot with the help of AI. Now what I'm going to do, I'm getting a raw image. So I'm getting the raw image from this PDF which my client gave me. So I'm gonna get a screenshot of this. I will use a Copilot over here for creating the images. Okay, you have to click generate image option. Now let me give you the prompt. Okay, I have a prompt template. You can see over here, you can get this prompt template from the description. Okay, now what this prompt template says. Now first of all let me just get the image. Actually I forgot. Yeah, paste the image as a reference, like raw photo, and as well as the prompt. Now what this prompt says, let me tell you in short. The prompt says you have to create a 4 image, 2 of the model and 2 without the model, like only the product show, and do not create any hallucinations or any redesign by itself. Like we are warning the AI to do not create any hallucination or variation in the product. Now I'm executing the prompt. Yes guys, you can see the image has been generated. Let me just show you the image. You can see 2 with the model and 2 as a product show. Now what you have to do, now I want these images isolately, like I want these individual images so that I can upload it on the website. Like I have created a website for my client, so I want the images for it. So I will go inside the new chat. Let me just download this image. Okay, you just have to upload this image. Now I will generate the isolate images of each of the 4 images. So I have a prompt for it. And what this prompt says, pick image of a column 1 and row 1. Now it is a collage grid type, so you have to give the which image you want to create individually. I want a column 1 and row 1 image. That means the first image of the collage, not model, of a collage, and create its perfect individual image. Now you have to click on enter to create a perfect individual image. Yes, you can see guys, the AI works insane. It has created the first image, individual image of the model with the product. You can see it looks very impressive. Wow, I just loved it. Now I'm gonna following the same step like column 2 of row 1 with the 4 images, and let me return back with you after creating the 4 images. Okay, you can see guys, I have set the AI to pick image of a column 2 and row 1. That means the column 2 of a row 1, that means this image, like only product photo shoot, but it has created the model image. That means it sometimes hallucinate, do create a wrong image. That is common, not a big deal. So you have to go inside the new chat, upload that image again of a collage, then paste that prompt. Now I want a column 2 and row 1 image, so it will create a perfect image. Now you just have to create a new chat, because sometimes the AI do hallucinate or doesn't understand what you're saying, so you can do a new chat. Now let us go with the third image. Just copy this. You can also upload this, then tell the AI pick the image of row second and column first of the collage, which is of the model. You can also add additional information if you want. If you are getting a problem in generation, see, actually I have got one problem. Let me show you live. See, I set the AI to pick image of a row 2 and column 1 of the collage. That means this image, which is of the model, and create its perfect individual. So what he created the image of a column 1 and row 1, not with of the column 1 and row 2. So what I have created, I have just got this screenshot, got this screenshot of this product model, and I have uploaded over here, and I said I want a perfect individual of this reference image which I have uploaded, and you got the result. See, the main thing is you can change the prompt dynamically if your things doesn't work. It is not necessary you should remain static. Even I have given you the template, but you can use your own text of language. That's called a prompt engineering in short. So for making a video, I'm using a VO3 as a model. Okay, so first you have to upload the image of which you want to get the video done, okay, of the product basically. So we are gonna making a video of the image we have recently generated with the help of Copilot. And for the prompt, what we are gonna do, we are go inside the chat GPT. Okay, let me go inside new chat. Yes, now select the image which we have generated recently. Now what we are doing, we are getting a prompt for VO3 to make a video of 8 seconds for ads or something which you want. For I want a prompt for VO3 engine to make a video of this reference model showing her necklace and earrings. I'm gonna type only necklace as it is our main product. Create a well optimized prompt. Now it will create a prompt for VO3. Okay, let us copy the prompt. Go inside the VO3, paste this prompt, and you can select the video frame. I want it for 9:16 ratio for my Instagram and for my YouTube as well, for my Facebook as well. So click create. So it will create a video of a product photo shoot. Okay, VO3 has generated the video. Let us see the video how it's looking. It's just insane. A very good video, guys. It melted my heart, really. So you can use this video for any video ads, in meta ads, especially for your Instagram account, to showcase your brand, to increase your sales. Insane, guys. So we have created the images as well as the video, and now you can also generate. Let me show you how you can hide this VO3. You can use Canva, just go inside the 9:16 ratio. You just have to crop this like this much. You can crop the video and the watermark will be gone. Okay, so it is a best idea to remove this watermark, because if you upload any video like this on a social media platform, the people will think it is a AI. So better you can hide this with the Canva. Okay, now for creating the catalog, you can best use a Canva as well. Again, a Canva is one of the best tool to create a product catalog. You can, for creating the catalog, I have said you how you can create a images. With the help of images, you can create a catalog with the help of Canva by using the images which I have created with the help of AI. So you can create images, videos, catalog, as well as banners. Banners is simple, you can edit it, you can make a big flex. So this is about the video, like how you can generate a video, how you can generate images for product photo shoot and catalogs. That's all. I hope you got the video. I hope you like the video. If you have any query, any suggestions, you can comment me below. And one thing I just wanted to mention here, that I am also doing a AI product shoot of the brands and of the products. If you have any queries, if you want any have any lead, you can surely reach me out through the comment section, or I have given you my email ID in the description. You can go through it and email me. Okay, so thank you so much. Please share, like and subscribe to the channel. I have made a big efforts for you to create the video. It's already 1:30 a.m. in the night. I'm creating a video for you, so thank you so much. Bye.